Delfin Negrillo Lorenzana, born October 28, 1948, is a retired Philippine Army general who served as chairman of the Bases Conversion and Development Authority from 2022 until September 2024. He previously served as Secretary of National Defense in the cabinet of President Rodrigo Duterte from 2016 to 2022. He served in the Philippine Army from 1973 to 2004. Lorenzana graduated from the Philippine Military Academy as part of the Maagap class of 1973. He also obtained a master's degree in business administration, major in operations research from the Ateneo Graduate School of Business, a graduate diploma in strategic studies from the Australian National University in Canberra, Australia, and a certificate in business economics from the University of Asia and the Pacific. He completed various courses in the Philippines and abroad, which include Senior International Leaders course at John F. Kennedy School of Government, Harvard University, Crisis Management course at the U.S. State Department, Washington, D.C., and VIP Security Operations conducted by British Special Air Service, SAS, Regiment. As a military officer, he had completed several local and foreign training. These included courses in infantry, scout ranger, intelligence, and airborne, culminating into the Command and General Staff course. From abroad, he completed the Royal Marines Commando course in United Kingdom, Infantry Officer Advanced course in Fort Benning, Georgia, USA, and the Instructors course in Fort Gordon, Georgia, USA. Controversies on September 8, 2020, Lorenzana confirmed to the House of Representatives that he signed a contract allowing Dito Telecommunity, which is 40% owned by the government of China through China Telecom, to install cell towers inside Filipino military camps despite multiple security concerns. He assured there are enough safeguards in the deal, saying the security of our camps will be maintained. In the final week of December, Duterte revealed to the public that several military men have already been inoculated with the Chinese COVID-19 vaccine from Sinopharm even though the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has not yet approved the import and use of any COVID-19 vaccine. Lorenzana confirmed that the Presidential Security Group, PSG, have already been vaccinated, though he himself was not. He later confirmed that the vaccines were donated and smuggled, and that the PSG violated FDA rules. However, he defended the vaccination, saying, "They did it in good faith. Now everybody there is safe from COVID-19. He then told the FDA to expedite its approval of COVID-19 vaccines so that legitimate importers could start importing. He also assured that the rest of the armed forces will wait for an FDA-approved COVID-19 vaccine. On January 15, 2021, Lorenzana sent a letter to Danilo Concepcion, the president of the University of the Philippines, UP, that the DND has unilaterally terminated the UP-DND Accord, an agreement that sets guidelines on military and police operations inside the university. He called the agreement obsolete and reasoned that its abrogation was necessary since the new People's Army, NPA, have embedded themselves inside UP and are recruiting university students. He insisted that UP has become a safe haven for enemies of the state, and that the university administration failed to prevent its students from joining the communists. The abrogation was met with protests from the university's students and faculty, as well as progressive groups and government officials, calling it a threat to academic freedom. Nonetheless, on January 21, Lorenzana announced the unilateral abrogation of a similar pact between the DND and the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, POP, that was signed in 1990. Post-cabinet on October 7, 2024, Lorenzana filed his candidacy to run in the 2025 Philippine Senate election as an independent candidate. However, he withdrew his candidacy the next day due to undisclosed reasons. Lorenzana was born on October 28, 1948, in Midsaya, Cotabato, to poor Ilocano parents, Teodoro Lorenzana, who is a corn, rice and coconut farmer, and Juanita Negrillo, both hailing from San Quintin, Pangasinan but traces their roots from Ilocos Sur and La Union. He was raised in Parang, Cotabato, where he attended elementary and high school. He attended Notre Dame University in Cotabato City for 2 years before entering Philippine Military Academy. Lorenzana is married to Aditha Aguilar from Caloocan. They have 4 children, including Cecile Lorenzana Romero, Executive Director of the National Parks Development Committee, and 1 granddaughter. In April 2021, while serving as chairman of the National Task Force Against COVID-19, Lorenzana revealed that he had contracted the virus, although he claims that he is asymptomatic. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.